Subject Biology, Grade 9. Chapter number 3, Biodiversity. Introduction. The term biodiversity is derived from a Greek word with bio, which means life, and diversity means variety. In Pakistan, there are 6,000 types of plants and 23,000 types of animals. All organisms share many common characters. They are different in size, shape, color, morphology, behavior, and reproduction methods. The differences among the living organisms add to the biodiversity of an area. Now, what is biodiversity? Biodiversity may be defined as the variety of organisms present in different ecosystems. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem is an area where living organisms interact with non-living environment. Living organisms mean plants, animals, insects, etc. And non-living environment is air, water, soil. Biodiversity may also be defined as the variation of life on Earth. Importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity is important for human in different ways. For example, number 1, food for human beings. Biodiversity provides crops, forestry, fish, and livestock for human beings. Number 2, production of drugs. A wide variety of plants, animals, and fungi are used as medicines. For example, drugs like caffeine, morphine, and quinine are produced by other plants. Number 3, industrial benefits of biodiversity. Biodiversity plays an important role in the production of industrial material. Building material, fibers, dyes, gums, rubbers, and oil are some of the industrial materials derived from plants. Relation with ecosystem. Biodiversity is essential component of ecosystem. In ecosystem, species show interaction among each other. Species is a group of organisms which can interbreed freely to produce fertile offspring. Each species has a specific role in the ecosystem. A loss of species makes the ecosystem less productive. Natural cycles, for example, water cycle, nitrogen cycle, etc., going on in the ecosystem. Fertility of soil, balanced climate, and numerous other factors depends upon its biodiversity.